Hello there. So, a kind of weekend project. I had this little motor and this propeller here, and I had a kind of mini fan before, something like this. Anyway, what I found out, it's working really great. So, what I'm trying to do today is to have better batteries, and I'm gonna have 3 cells like this in parallel. Will give me tens of hours of non-stop working. Let me have some of this until the hot glue is getting ready. In the meantime, okay, the motor is very good for this job because it's already tied to the metallic case, so I don't have anything else special to do but to plant it over here, and of course to have the connection. That helps a lot for keeping the things simpler. Of course, I have a switch and a charging board. That should be the positioning. I mean, it's no fancy something, very simple concept. I have all the minuses together. Perfect here. But in the meantime, I have to be sure that I have a good connection. Oh yeah, the story is that I don't want to have any bumps, you know, so the surface there should be as leveled as possible, because I want to have that motor in a very, okay, that's the one, goes here, and okay, that's the positioning here. Yeah, I can feel the motor working. This is so great. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. No more glue. Let me have a new one. Should be enough. You see here we have a resistor, and that's like 1 ohm or something to limit the current, because you see there is a lot of power from these cells, so if the motor is stuck, then it will burn in a second. We need to have a kind of current limitation. Now let's get the other side. This should go in parallel mode, so nothing to do. Tie all these guys together. I need a piece of wire like that. Don't overheat this, because they are connected to the plus. We have to move fast. Nice. And this one, okay, like that. Yeah, the motor is working great. Oh man, beautiful. Now, the next step is to have the charging board okay, and the switch. We have some wires. Okay. Perfect. Now we have to check if the switch it's doing the job. Perfect. Let's have this in place somewhere. Yeah, like this. Why not? Yeah. Okay. In the meantime, we can do the connection here. But first, let me have these wires kind of in place. This should go here to the plus. Okay. That should be fine. Now let's see if we have any switching. Of course. Perfect. Now, this wire stay here with the plus. From here to here we're gonna have a battery minus. Yes. This will be the battery charging port for minus. All we have to do now is to have a piece of wire from this one to plus. Okay, let's do that. We are done here. So we got power. The single problem here is that the minus is not going through this charging module. You see, the output should go to the motor. No, the motor is straight on minus. The point is that I'm not sure if it's sensing when the cell is out, but let's see if we're charging. And yes, we are charging. Okay, let's see if we have some voltage rising. Okay, this one goes here. Port 3.99, and if I'm applying the charger 4.03, I'm probably rising. Yeah, 4.04 is going up. Okay, let me have some extra glue to keep the things in place. About here. And that's it. Just let it cool. Okay, so that's it for today. It's working, you know, really nice weekend project. Takes like half hour to do that, and I have a working fan for a later use. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel, push the like button too. Have fun, the most important thing, and I'll be back with some more.